If you owned an apartment community in the northern half of Florida, I want to show you exactly what's happened to your value because the number will be pretty surprising. Now, as you can see here, back in 2015, the average apartment complex in the northern half of Florida, but back in 2015, the overall median trade price a unit was $48,000 a unit. In 2025, that was $128,000 a unit. That's a 168% increase. That's not just a little increase, that's almost tripling in a 10-year period. Now, that comes out to about 10.5% per year appreciation. But keep in mind, that's before leverage. So you can't compare this to stocks and bonds because in real estate, you can use leverage or other people's money to buy property. So the actual equity you had in the property went up multiples and multiples during that period, not just 10% per year. Now, of course, as you can see, it wasn't just a straight line up all the way. There was the dip that happened in 23 and 24 when rates went up and everybody kind of pulled back on buying. But look what happened in 2025. As you can see, 2025 came roaring back to a whole new high. So then the question I leave you with is, even if your basis is just from 5 or 6 years ago, do you know what your community is worth today? That's the kind of conversation I'm having every day with owners in the Florida market. If you want to know what that number is for your community, you can reach out to me or your broker. Hope this was helpful. See ya.